Hello, welcome to CMBM Trade the Strategy channel. In this video, we are going to see how to trade using the CMBM levels. First of all, keep in mind, thicker CMBM levels are more suitable for day traders. Thinner levels are mostly used by scalpers. On the chart, you will see two types of line and two types of labels. When you see waiting next to a line, it means that order has not been triggered yet. When you see profit displayed, it means the order has been triggered and you can see how much it has moved into profit. So the question is, how can we use this level as entry points for trades? Since we haven't fully revealed the CMBM strategy yet, you need to rely on other strategy for both entry confirmation and exit planning. For entry confirmation, you can use signals such as candlestick confirmation, volume spike, price action patterns, order blocks, indicators, or any other confirmation that fits your personal strategy. For exit, you can either follow your own trading strategy to find the best exit point or simply set a fixed take profit and a stop loss. Overall, always check where your main strategy give you an entry signal. If you see that CMBM level also come from that point, then you can enter the trade with confidence. Remember, combining your personal strategy with CMBM levels can multiply the power of your trading.